Hi 2SG, this is Miss Lin here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve fractional equation that looks like this. Before we begin, this question can actually be found in your notes, page 10, example 3. You may pause the video, take out your notes, and flip to page 10 to look at this example, and we'll follow through together in the video. Okay, let's begin. So in this question, this is a fraction equals to another fraction. To solve this kind of question, we had learned in the previous question that equivalent fractions, they both have the same value for the numerator and also the denominator. So the trick of solving this kind of question here is to convert the denominator to the same lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is equals to 15. So my new denominator, I want it to be over 15. So therefore, in order to make a denominator of 15, you multiply it by 5 for the first fraction and multiply by 3 for the second fraction. So you have 5 times x plus 2 over 15 equals to 3 times of 3x plus 2 over 15. Since this is an equivalent fraction, therefore you can write down that 5 times of x plus 2 is equals to 3 times of 3x plus 2. So after this, you will going to expand. Okay, you're going to expand the left hand side and the right hand side by using the rainbow. So 5 times x, you have 5x, 5 times 2 plus 10 equals to 3 times 3x, 9x, 3 times 2 plus 6. So once you expanded this, okay, next step is that you're going to group your like terms together. So meaning you're going to group all your x on the left hand side and your constant numbers on the right hand side. So 5x, so when you shift this over, minus 9x, this is equate to 6 minus 10. And you just have to simplify on both sides. So 5 minus 9, that is a negative 4. So negative 4x is equals to negative 4, and you're almost there. So the last step here, I'm going to solve for x. So x is equals to negative 4 divided by negative 4, and that gives you 1. Okay, next, let's recap on what we just did. So the first step, to solve this kind of question, we actually converted our denominator to the lowest common multiple. In your case, it's 15. So after that, we write down an equation based on your numerator. After which, you expand. Okay, then the first numerator, which is 5 times of x plus 2, and the second numerator, which is 3 times of 3x plus 2. Okay, how do we expand that? Recap. Okay, we use the rainbow method. And after which, you group the like terms by, group your like terms by shifting, and before you solve, you actually simplify your left hand side and your right hand side. And finally, you solve for your x. Okay, so can you try using this exact same method for the next two questions?